We have some very important news to share with you today in a moment, but let me introduce first of all Sir Jim Ratcliffe, the founder and chairman of INEOS.
I'm delighted to be able to announce that INEOS has chosen Antwerp as the location for its new petrochemicals site in Europe. It will comprise a world-scale cracker and a world-scale, what we call a PDH unit. It's the first time that these two units will have been integrated together. The investment will be €3 billion. It will produce 2 million tonnes of product. It will be the largest investment in the European chemical sector for a generation.
INEOS announces that there will be 400 direct jobs on the site, and the building of the facility will give 3,000 people a job during 4 or 5 years, so that's quite huge.
We have a history here in Antwerp because INEOS started life 20 years ago in Antwerp with an ethylene oxide facility, and so as a consequence of that you do have a relationship with the port of Antwerp, which is very important, with the city of Antwerp, with the government of Flanders, with the government of Belgium. We'll become stronger in Europe as a petrochemicals player, and I think we'll stay at the top of the tree longer.